this is the next outfit that I'm gonna wear. Hi guys, today I'm gonna be doing my try-on-alls and I'm really happy to do it.
So guys, Kyra will be doing her try-on-all today, and right here she has her clothes and a few pair of shoes where we're gonna try it on. We have a few outfits from Zara, which she did do shopping at Zara. We have a few outfits right here from Zara and H&M, I think, but yeah, they're really cute stuff, and we're gonna be doing this all, hoping she kill it. Most of these are from her Christmas shopping also, so I just add some of her Christmas stuff and the birthday stuff together, in which she's gonna do the try-on-all for you guys. Right here, my sister made this for her. My sister is making bath suits for everybody, and let me tell you something, it fits her perfectly, so I decided to add it on this try-on-all for you guys to see. I hope you guys enjoy this video with her. I hope you guys like it. Make sure you subscribe. Just tell them, Kyra, what should they do?
Like and subscribe.
No, you're fine. Go ahead, girl.
And comment down below if you like this video.
That's right. So guys, let's get into this video.
Hi guys, so I'm gonna be picking what I want to try on. So I'll pick this.
That's the first thing. You sure? Let's try something at the top first. We're gonna go there.
Okay.
And we're gonna try a suit. Just pick anything and we're gonna try it on.
This.
Alright, so we're going with this one first. It's a two-piece suit. Turtleneck. So this is the first thing.
That was for my birthday too.
Yes. So you ready?
Yep. Hi guys. So this shirt is from Zara, and this pants is from Zara. Everything is from Zara. The complete look is from Zara.
Where's your shoes from?
Zara.
Oh, let me see it. So you're in a complete Zara outfit, and you look good. You look comfortable.
I do. I am comfortable.
All right, let me see. You're gonna walk him down.
So guys, this is the next outfit that I'm gonna wear. So guys, my outfit is from H&M, and my complete outfit is from H&M, and my shoes, I don't know where it's from. So guys, this is my next outfit. I have my boots and my clothes and everything on me. So guys, my outfit is from Zara and my shoes are from Target. And I certainly love it. And I so much love it. So guys, my outfit is from Zara and I love it again and I really love it and it's the best outfit I ever saw before. So guys, my dress is from Zara and I love it, I love it, I love it, guys. So guys, my shirt is from Zara and my shoes are from Target and I really love it and it's the best gift that I have.
Yo, DJ Dix.
So guys, my shirt is from Zara and my pants is from Old Navy and my shoes are from Kids Children Place. My dress and my shoes is from H&M and I'm gonna wear my dress to church. My shirt is from Zara and I don't know what my shoes are from, so I'll just say my skirt is from Zara. So guys, my leggings are from Old Navy and my boots are from Target. My jacket is from H&M and my blouse is from Zara. So guys, this is the better view from Zara. So guys, my final outfit, what I'm gonna put on is all of these. My whole outfit is from Zara and I love it. And guys, this is my favorite outfit. So guys, I put the skirt on and it's from H&M. Thanks for watching my try-on-alls. I hope you guys like and subscribe and try your try-on-alls if you have some too. Bye.